Welcome back again to our online class. Today also we'll continue the same chapter, chapter 2, shapes and angles. Okay, today we'll learn how to draw angles. Okay, and in order to draw angles, we need three instruments from your geometry. Okay, first one, protractor, ruler and pencil. Okay, let me tell you something about protractor, which is very important in angles. Okay, this protractor is used to measure angle, and to draw angle also we use this protractor. Okay, now you see in your protractor, in outside also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is given. Okay, that part is called outer scale. Again inside, from this side, from right side also 10, 20, 30, 40 is same number is given up to 180. But it is from here, right side, and it is inside, so it is called inner scale. And this part, this is the main part of the protector, center. Okay, center of the protector. And this line is called base line. And in same time, these two instrument also will use to draw angles. Let me draw an angle. Okay, let us draw an angle of 60 degree. Okay, to draw an angle of any measure, first step is okay, first step one will be draw a straight line, using ruler, using a ruler and a pencil. So first step, we have to draw a straight line using a ruler. Okay, this is our first step. Now step 2, place the center of your protector on one end of this line. Now second step, place the center of your protector one end of this line. Okay, this is your protector and this is your center of protector. This one you can place either here or here. Okay, suppose I keep here. This is second step. Okay, I am giving here my protector. You can keep either here or here. Okay, after that, third step, step 3. Step 3, count from 0 degree and mark a dot of the required angle. We are drawing 60 degree. Okay, so we write 60 degree. Now second step, look, second step, you have to put the center of the protector to any end of this straight line. So I keep my center of the protector here in this end. Okay, now I have to mark 60 degree. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. In 60, I will mark a dot here. Okay, one dot is there in 60 degree. This is third step. Now step 4. Step 4, remove your protector protector and join the ends. End of the line. Now look, line to the dot using a ruler. Now you see our first step, we will draw a straight line, and step 2, place the center of your protector on the one end of this line. Okay, either you can keep here or you can keep here. I kept here in my protector. So third step, count from 0 degree. 0 degree start from here. Okay, look, 0, 10. So 0 degree this one. So count from 0 degree and mark a dot of the required angle of 60 degree. And I mark here, okay, this is 60 degree. Now step 4, remove your protector and join the end of the line to join dots using a ruler. Now we have to join this and this dot with the help of a ruler. Okay. Look, this is step 4. Now step 5. Mark the angle using pencil. Using a pencil. Now we have to mark this. Now when you measure this one with your protector, the angle will be 60 degree. Okay. This one, when you measure, you have to write with a pencil. Okay. This is the way. This is the way to stepwise. Okay. To draw an angle. Look, 60, 70, 80, 90 degree. Any angles we can draw. Okay. But what about 62 degree? 62 degree, look, just see 60 and outside you see some lines are there. That's this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one 10. Look, 60 and the first line will be 61. Okay, this first line will be 61 and second line will be 62. In this way you can draw any angles. Suppose 77, 70 is here. After 70 lines, you just count the lines, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. In that particular line, you have to mark your dot if the required angle is 77 degree. Okay. So I will give you some homework. Okay, to draw angles. Question 1. Draw an angle of following measurement. A 80 degree, B 110 degree, C 74 degree, and D 90 degree. Okay children, then this is your homework which you have to practice at home. Okay.